Hey guys, what's up? So I asked my wife to get me I wanted a grinder with a 10-inch wheel so I could do try some hollow grinding and stuff like that. So what she did was she bought me a 10-inch wheel and told me to mount it on my 1x30. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna mount this 10-inch wheel on a 1x30. So I can do my hollow grinds right here. It's gonna be sweet. The first thing you need to do. Is so I modified my belt adjustment tracking. I just snapped it right off there, you know. So first you gotta do that, and then get you a zip tie. I prefer these tie wraps. Some of them, and run you a zip tie from here to where there used to be a knob to adjust your table. So I busted that off too. Don't need that. Then you get a zip tie and you just there. So see, works perfect. Perfect. You can adjust your tracking left to right. I mean, you can hang stuff on there. It's nice. Anyways, first you gotta loosen this. Take your belt off. And loosen this knob here. Take this knob completely off. The one that holds that nice dust cover on there. And then you want to get a wrench and you want to see a nice patina on there. We're going to get in there and try to take this wheel off. Once you get that wheel off, you know, a little grind this back section off, and right there, man, hollow grinder. Sweet. You haven't figured out I'm messing with you yet? Yep. Woke up Friday morning and she said, you gotta open these presents. Oh, by the way, check these out. Sweet. All right. Alright. Yeah, she said you gotta open these presents. And I don't like getting Christmas presents there. I said, why? She said, you just got to, so I opened them up. And it was some sanding belts, 2x72, and that 10-inch wheel. So anyways, I'm like, did you give me a grizzly? She said, yes. Why are you giving it to me now? And she said, well, it saved me 30 bucks on shipping if you take it off the truck. So it came Friday. I'm stoked. Some awesome stuff done now. Man, this thing is a beast. But there's a lot of people getting these for Christmas. So got me a cheap little light. Yeah, as you can see. Already doing some grinding. Whoop! What do we got there? What do we got there? Surprise. Oh, that. Well, these seem to be popular, and I'll tell you, tracking's kind of touchy. you get it set up where you want, and then you turn it on, and sometimes your boat goes flying off the side. But besides that, I love it, man. So much better than that. Even though that's got a 10-inch wheel on it now. I still think I'm gonna keep this to do my handles though. I really like profiling my handles on that. But we'll see. I think I might get out of hand using that. Anyways. There we go, guys. Oh yeah, I was gonna put my 10-inch wheel on, but I installed the 10-inch wheel, and then I went to try to put some belts on, and guess what? You gotta have longer belts. So that's what the manual says anyways, and I had already ordered me 1 or 2 belts. So anyways, I'm gonna use them belts up. Should I put my 10-inch wheel on here, maybe try to do a little hollow ground? I don't know. Anyways, I'm fired up. Look at that, that's gonna be sweet. Put some snakewood handles on it. Yeah. Man, that thing. I can do on 5 minutes on that what it takes me 20 minutes on that. Anyways, got one of these, another one of these. Got something in here. I haven't cleaned up when I got it. Alright guys, have a good one. Later.